I grew up here on this farm, watching my dad farming barley and creating a really viable business. It was important to me, it was motivating to me to sort of build on top of what he has created. The flour mill was sort of an obvious next step. For me, the motivation for starting Hillside Grain, it blended a lot of my interests that I'm really motivated and passionate about, and that includes regenerative ag, so the field aspect of it, but also into the health and nutrition of food and food systems in our community. It's a really cool opportunity for me to weave all these different things together and then be able to work with my family and the land that I grew up on. This mill is actually one of 2 mills like it in the country, and the uniqueness is that we have both a roller mill and a stone mill. I think there's such a distinct flavor with fresh flour and high quality grain. There are definitely some light bulbs going off in the community and people wanting to have that connection with their growers, with their processors. Every step of the way is us, it's our family. We're growing the grain and then we're milling it and delivering it.